Oh no, that's okay, Grandma. Um, let's skip breakfast this morning. I'm sorry about that. It's not your fault. Well, still, we should have thought of that. Eagles don't eat eggs. Okay. Well, bonjour, mes Anishinaabe dog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and I have a friend here today, a special guest, migizi. Bonjour, migizi. Bonjour, Niji. That's our word for today. Migizi. Eagle. Migizi. Yeah, so it's a real honor to have you here, migizi. Much obliged. Yeah, migizi is a sacred animal to us. The migizi is very, very important to our people. And not just to the Anishinaabe, to the Chamokamen as well. Isn't that right? Well, I don't like to toot my own horn, but it's true. I represent the whole of the United States of America. Yeah, pretty big deal. Migizi, eagle. Okay, what can I say about eagles? I don't know. You want to explain pointing at an eagle? You mean how you should never do it? Yeah, why don't you tell the folks here about the etiquette, eh? Well, kids, if you don't mind me saying so, pointing at an eagle is quite rude. Yeah, you should never use your fingers to point at an eagle. Why is that? Well, sir, not everyone has fingers. It's rude. So, what do you do if you see a migizi and you want to tell your buddy, hey, look at that migizi, look at that eagle? Well, sir, I recommend you point with your lips. With your lips, eh? That's right. You say, hey, Niji, look over there. You just kind of sounded like me there. I know, sometimes I slip into accents. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey, Niji, there's an eagle. There's a migizi. Hey, there's a migizi. Just like that. Yeah, good tip. Well, there you have it, folks. Migizi, eagle. Don't point with your fingers. Point with your lips, eh? Okay, well, thank you so much for being on the show today. Much obliged. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am your host, Nana BOOZHOO, and this was Migizi. Miigwech, Niji, Miigwech. Giga Wabamin, Giga Wabamin Minawa. Yeah, there you go. I'll see you next time. Oh, wow, that was really good. Much obliged.